The washing machine beeps to say that it's finished, and it'll show you a 0 flashing. So you open the door here, like so, with a little clip behind the door, and then you empty the washing, but I forgot to do that to show you. Now, there will be a pile in this corner by the sink that needs to be put into the washing machine as so, like this load. Obviously, I'm doing the one that needs doing first to make it easier. Can you be quiet, please, Poppy? I'm trying to tell Rob how to do a job that he can do for me. Then I've prepared the green thing for you with the amount of washing up thing. Put it into the drum of the washing machine. Close the door tightly, and if you press start, the grey button here, twice, it will automatically start for you. Bingo! You've done my washing. Oh, sugar, hang on. Even Kerry's forgotten because she's trying to tell you. Open the drawer, and we need to pour the fabric conditioning. You take off the lid.
My boyfriend, I'm gonna marry you soon.
You take off the lid, and I don't think I can do this one-handed. Pour in to the maximum level, like it says, like that, and then you close the drawer, and then you would just automatically press the start yourself twice, because you would have done it right the first time. Okay, thank you. Bye.